Hi, my name is Bill Savarese. I'm the lead artist for Pompano Beach's public art project entitled Asphalt Art, the Crossroads Connection, which consists of 12 murals. The murals are located between the City Hall building, library, and cultural center. The mural designs were created through multiple community engagement activities where community members provided feedback and inspiration for the project. The 8 storm drain murals in particular were inspired by volunteer designs submitted by students and residents. We wanted to bring attention to the importance of keeping our storm drains free from pollutants. I took the submitted designs and used them to create the final designs you see installed today. I hope you enjoy the bold colors of these murals. My goal was to add a little color to your step while you're visiting the area. And remember to keep our waterways clean. Only rain down the drain.